Anchovies. Up on the 16th, back down on the 21st, 5 days later, and they have just sunk down about 2 inches. Ciao.
That door. And then we've got. Had to film the museum.
Remember that we're full to the rim?
Look at this, Joe. How much?
Look, see.
Remember we're full to the rim?
They were full here. Joe.
Yeah,
Look here.
yeah.
They were full to the rim. Look at this
Oh
now.
my goodness! Look at that.
And then where does all that liquid come from? From
the water of the
fish?
anchovy.
Yeah, no, of the anchovy.
Yeah.
No way. What do you do with this now? You dump it out?
No.
You leave it?
Yeah, that's salted water and
Stays.
to keep them young.
Wow.
This should be heavier.
Okay, well, let's go find something heavier. Okay.
Really?
Should I go find? I'll go find a rock. No? Should I go find it? I'll go find a rock.
Yeah.
No problem. Maya, come on. Let's go find a rock.
How does it smell?
Good.
Very good. More water. Good. Stop.
Okay.
Okay, so you're using that for the weight?
Yes. Can you straighten?
My chief.
Maybe we should. That should be good, no? How many? Let's see if we can straighten it out a little bit. Oh, that's okay. What if we go like?
What do you want to do?
I'm straightening out the.
Level it out.
Oh.
Now it's level.
Okay.
Okay.
I got.
Go for it. Orazio, this is the for making the salt anchovies.
Yeah, we also will tomorrow we'll take a few. Then we do.
No, scrivi un biglietto Lazio?
See.
So he'll take the heads off, and then
He will clean. We'll take the heads off and the guts out.
Okay, and then we put in salt.
Then we'll put in salt.
Perfect. What's the first step, Orazio?
The first step is while cleaning the anchovy, taking
Yes.
the head off and the guts out,
Yes.
and then spread in this nest here.
So you cleaned them, you washed them for.
No, wash.
You didn't wash?
You don't wash because they have been washed with seawater.
Okay. So then
If you wash with
with.
normal water, then they get mildew.
Okay. So seawater.
You spread in there,
Yes.
put some
Salt.
salt
Okay.
and big grain,
Right.
and leave there for 1 hour.
Okay. So how long have you put them in there for now? So.
So now it's enough. See the anchovy is clean with the head off.
Yes. So you've had them in there for 1 hour already?
1 hour already, yeah.
Cool. So then we'll do the next batch.
Then
We brought some more.
Then we'll do the salt and black pepper mix.
Okay. Spring your salt?
Yes.
We got medium-sized salt
Right.
and
Pepper.
Pepper.
fresh pepper from Indonesia.
Oh, perfect.
Wow.
Indonesia.
Salt
Perfecto.
in the world. Nice.
Ooh, salt and pepper.
Oh, I can smell. Ooh,
Oh, perfume. Oh, that pepper.
very nice.
More?
See? Okay.
Well, pepper, the best pepper in the world comes from Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yes.
Yes.
Non ce l'ho mai incontrato, penso un po'.
Pensa un po'.
Mi ha detto del fatto del fai, no?
Sì. E quindi abbiamo programmato che al prossimo tuo incontro lui farà
Each one
parte
is going to get a little bit of salt on the bottom and pepper. Yeah.
Mi dovrò vedere anche
So there's 3 of those ceramic containers.
No, 1 ceramic and 2 glass.
Oh, okay.
Can I put a little more in?
Yes.
queste giornate di autunno. Io ho
No more.
accettato soltanto
Okay.
per
Perfetto.
omaggio ai miei antenati.
Bravo.
On.
Okay, so now we put the salt in and the pepper.
inside there.
Yes, inside here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now you line up the
One at a time. But
yeah,
like
one by one,
I know, but with the like this or down.
only one side, flat.
Flat. Perfect.
Ora
Oh, see how tight they are?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, now the next move is, if
Now,
we do it in the
now
line like
put
this,
on-
you see the line?
Oh, right.
See there? Perfect. Okay.
now you put some salt to fill the voids.
Okay. Let me
Al
cover.
contrario.
Now, another layer?
Now another layer
Al contrario.
The other way.
perpendicular.
The other way, yes?
Yes.
Like this is going this way,
Yes,
now I go
yes.
this way.
Yes.
Perfect.
Exactly.
Okay.
Same way, one next to the other,
But flat.
flat and tight.
Amico, how are you? Come stai?
Another layer
Devi
of
dire
salt.
fine.
Now,
Now, another layer of,
crisscrossing,
now
the
the
other way
other way,
around.
right?
Orazio,
can't
e
be-
Maren.
We did this way, now we do the other
E
way.
Maren.
Calcio. Come stai mettendo? No, io ne devo.
Buono, buono, buonissimo. Ok, ora il salt, salt.
Salt.
You.
Thanks, Lieutenant.
Just for the voids.
Yes, oh, isn't this exciting?
Yeah.
We fill to the rim
Yes.
because then we put away.
Wait.
Penso che non ce n'è più, non ci entrano più, ragazzi, usciranno di fuori.
No. Che poi se ne calano.
Sì, lo so che se ne calano, però ora usciranno di fuori.
Vediamo.
We have to wait until October to taste them.
Yes.
To taste.
Con la pasta,
With
bolliche,
pasta?
acciughe,
L'ha fatta Antonella.
pizza.
Okay, now what do we put on top?
Now is ready.
Okay.
No, questo è troppo grande. Uno, due, tre,
Questo grande
no, questo è preciso.
al centro.
Then we put a bit of, and now we'll wait.
Now we put it away. Now
Questo è piccolo però.
this is
Little.
not heavy enough.
But we'll get
The,
more.
the weight should be equal to the weight of the anchovy. Which anchovy there is about 1 kilo.
How about a big water bottle, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we
There will
will,
be a water bottle.
and we can't use beer because we want to drink it, no?
It'll never stay on there.
Okay, this one is ready.
Orazio, ce
Okay.
n'è una da 75.
That one is ready?
La
Okay.
metto.
Va bene, per ora si va.
So, your mother did this too, yes?
Yes.
When she was, well, obviously your grandmother too.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
oh
yeah.
yeah. In Riposto was a tradition to do it.
Yeah.
From May to July, yeah, everybody was doing salted anchovy.
Anchovies.
Anchovies are not sardines. Sardines are a different thing.
Okay.
So what is the difference between, try and explain to the people, what is the difference between an anchovy and a sardine?
It's two completely different fish.
Oh, they are.
Yeah,
Are they
belong
big?
to the same family,
Okay.
but they sardines.
Are they bigger, the sardines?
Sardines are bigger,
Yeah.
and the anchovy are rounder.
But
These are caught with a special net, which has a very small hole.
Oh.
The anchovy get caught in that and cannot go out and loses all the blood.
all the blood.
So that's why they good.
That's why they taste like that. Perfect. So,
We use for pizza, we used to make spaghetti,
Yes.
we use as a
Antipasto.
antipasto, as an appetizer. Appetizer is very simple. You take the anchovy out, take the salt out by cleaning, open up, take the
Oil.
bones out, and then olive oil and 3 drops of vinegar.
Oh.
perfect.
Yes, and we're having a very nice Sicilian white Bianco wine from Mount Etna. Pour a little. And wine is always good.
Perfect.
And with that, we are having some anchovies. These are the anchovies that Maurizio was explaining the recipe for. You clean the anchovies and you put oil and you put a little vinegar, some garlic, little lemon, and they are exquisite. served with a few olives.
Have you
and
ever
a white
tasted?
wine.
Have you ever tasted anything like that? Like you can't get
it's
fresh stuff like this.
marvelous. It's
It's
marvelous.
just fresh, fresh, fresh.
Fresh. There is no fishy aftertaste. It's just fresh. Very good. I taste one if I had a fork.
Well, just pick it up with your finger.
Okay.
Not a problem.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Mm.
perfect. No?
Wine is always good.
Ciao.
Wow, anchovies. Whoa.
Are we saying ciao, 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 ciao?
Ciao.
And guess what's in the background? A beautiful Ionian
The
Sea.
Ionian Sea. Look at that.
And the pool.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and so do you. Ciao.